Hey guys, it's Val again with another unboxing. This one's actually an air humidifier by Mooka. I got it off of Amazon. These are really supposed to be really good for the air. It's good for newborns. It's good to freshen up the air if you don't have fresh air in your house. It's all musty. This is really good for that. Especially now with the coronavirus. It's awful. But yeah, let's see how good this one is. Right? Take it out of the box. I'm going to move the box really quick out of the way. Move some other stuff out the way. Alright, and here's the air humidifier box with a water filter for purifying the water. I guess that's going to make the water a lot more fresher so the air can be a lot more cleaner and just better. Alright, so here we go. Opening up, and now here's the humidifier. We'll take it out of the box. Here we go. Let's see what's inside the box. There's the manual. Let's take that out. Alright, nothing else. Let's move this box out of the way. Let's just throw it on the floor. Alright, and here's the air humidifier. And that's the nozzle. Alrighty, now we're just going to take it out of the plastic. Let's see how good this thing works. No, a little stuck on the plug here. Let me grab a knife really quick just to cut this out. Alright, and now let's just look in the manual just in case we do something wrong. I don't want to mess it up. And we got our safety instructions, you know, the typical don't plug it in while your hands are wet and don't leave it plugged in while it's empty. It could start a fire. Alright, and now here we got our nozzle. Actually, this is the nozzle. Okay, that's where the humidifier is supposed to come out. And take this off. That's actually called our top cover. Here's our handle. Alrighty. That's our mist tube. Water tank. That's where the water is going to go. It's also our water tank window. We can see how much water there is. You know, sometimes you don't really know how much there really is inside the other ones. Then we have our plug. The bottom, which is our base. Alright, we can just lift this part out. Alright, and the water is supposed to come out of here. You put the water right in there. You unscrew that part right there. That part's supposed to turn it on. Not sure what really goes in there. We're just going to see what happens. Alrighty, and our plug. Right, and that's our humidifier. Now let's see how it works. And that doesn't come off, so that's just a handle. That when you put it in, I think that's you should be able to hold it right there. So let me see exactly how. I don't want to mess anything up. And we're going to take this out. And it doesn't remove. That stays right in place. That comes off just like that. And we're just gonna unscrew this right here until it comes off. And there's your water filter. It's supposed to make the water a lot more better than what it is. Alrighty, and we actually have some water. Let's pour some in. I kind of spilled that a lot. Sorry. I'm not sure if that's actually gonna mess up the humidifier. I might have messed it up already. Good going, Val. Now let's screw this back in. And I actually have some napkins. We're gonna dry that up really quick just in case. Alrighty, that looks pretty dry to me. Let me just get the top really quick. There we go. And we're just gonna put it right on top. Alrighty, that looks good to me. Right now it's actually sounding like a suctioning. So I think the water is just going down to the place where I actually took the water off. So I think I should have just left the water there. I don't think it really mattered, but okay. Let's see, Yep, exactly where I just cleaned the water off. That's okay. Alright. I'm going to dry it up a little bit. We're going to put the cap right back on, the nozzle right there. Okay, let's unwrap the plug and we're going to plug this in. See how this bad boy works. Turn it on. And right away, wow, it worked right away. That's awesome. That's so cool. That's great. It feels great. It smells great. We did it. Yeah. Well, okay, guys. So that's all. That's our air humidifier. It works really good. I would recommend it to almost anybody, especially if you just had a newborn baby. It's great for them. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tune in again for more.